someday it would lead me back to you. Ah, that someday it would lead me back to you. That may be all I need. In darkness she is all I see. Come and rest your bones with me. Driving slow on Sunday morning, and I never want to leave. That may be all I need. In darkness she is all I see. Come and rest your bones with me. Driving slow on Sunday morning, and I never want to leave. That may be all I need.
But we're back, bigger and better than ever. So we've got a lot of new songs for you this afternoon and a few old favourites as well. That song was a Maroon 5 song, Sunday Morning. It's a little bit past that now, but that's okay. And it featured our soloists Sandy, Tony, Tracy and Warwick. So this next one we're going to do is an old standard. It's been done by the greats, Frank Sinatra, Tony Bennett, Bobby Durham, I think was Georgie's favourite. But it's a little bit special for our Steph because it was also done by the teenage heartthrob, Leif Garrett, who is actually going to admit in this room that they loved Leif. Thank you. So Steph not only had the t-shirt, in fact still has the t-shirt, this week, but she also followed him as a true groovy would when he toured here and went to the radio station where he was